Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello children, good morning to all. Today welcomes you all in the poetry section of class 12th. Already in prose we completed chapter 1 and chapter number 2, and today we will study the chapter number 1 from the poetry section, My Mother at 66. Children, this poem, that is the poetic name is by Kamla Das. Kamla Das just describe in this poem about the relationship between the mother and daughter, because the daughter is you can say a very important role in this. Daughter is a very beautiful gift or very beautiful you can say thing for everyone in the nature, in the surrounding, in the world, and somewhere we can have the you can say relationship between mother and daughter. There is no words to explain. Somehow in this poem the matter is somewhere the different. But Kamla Das, first of all we will discuss about the Kamla Das. Kamla Das was born in 1934 in Malabar, Kerala. So she was very fun and floric poetess, just like she published many kind of the novels, short stories in English and Malayalam language. Basically in this poem, Kamla Das just described the relationship between the mother and the daughter, and the daughter is having the separation kind of fear at the age that is age of somewhere the second stage of the person's age, because in two times the person is having a kind of the separation. First is a childhood, and after that when the person is grown up. So in this poem basically we are having my mother at 66, the age is there. So in this poem we will begin the first line. The first line, the poet says, driving from my parents home to Cochin last Friday. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. So the poet tells about when she just came back from the parents' home from the Cochin side, she saw that her mother just sits beside her, and the poet says that the open-mouthed her face, ashen like a corpse. What is the meaning? First meaning was there doze. Doze means the person just like a sleep, because basically it happens when we had just kind of a long journey, long traveling. So my dear students, we just feel like that the person is used to sleep. So the in first line the poet says that Cochin last Friday I saw my mother besides me doze. Doze means she just feels like a sleep. But second line she describes open mouthed, her face ashen like a corpse, because in that time the poet just feel like sleeps and her face is about to open. So what is the meaning over here? The corpse mean is dead body, like the person is not having a life, a deadless, just like a deadless corpse is sits beside her. So after that she thought away, so that she realized with pain, that she thought away. In that time when the sense used to came in her mind that her mother is just like a corpse, so in that feeling she just you can say that put thought away. She wants to just wash that thought from her mind, because in this much bad kind thought she never think even about that, and she said ki I thought that away, and looked out at young trees sprinting. What is the meaning of here? Sprinting. Sprinting means running. Means when we people used to have the traveling, long traveling, or we used to just move from very long journey. So what we feel like when we sits in the car, or we just sits like in the any kind of the vehicle, what we are feeling? On feeling when we are traveling, we feels like that all the surroundings running along with us. means the person is not driving. We are thinking that these trees, these movements, these mountains, all the nature is with us. So same thing the poet tells that I feel that just like these all the trees sprinting, the merry children's spelling, the merry children's spelling security, that the security cheeks is standing new years away. So that the new yards few away means on the same way where they are having the journey, they are passing away on the road, that the few of the moment that they were along with them. So what is there? Check the standing a few yards away. I looked at her one pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache my childhood fears. So what is the meaning of here? The one meaning is here the colorless. So the poet says after that when we had the feeling that all trees, all the that the merely childrens along with them, and they all used to be came out from their house after playing and all. So surprisingly she said that I felt a old familiar ache. And the mother's face just like a late winter's moon, and the pale means yellowish color. So she said, but all I said was, see you soon, Amma. After that the poet says, I just want to wash up that all the bad memories, bad things, just like my mother was feeling just like a doze, then her face is just like a corpse. She said, I just washed away all the familiar ache, the separation or that kind of the fear, that the departure from my mother. I said, see you soon, Amma, means the feeling of that mom or my dear mom, we will just met together, or we will have a meeting very soon. And I did was smile and smile and smile. Why she said? I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile, because somewhere I want to meet with my mother again and again, and that kind of the feeling what I had, the separation, or what the you can say a kind of fear, I want to just throw that all the thoughts just throw away from my mind, and I want to have very positive vibes against my mother. So this was again means about the poem, and I know that the bonding of the mother and daughter, it's very nice relationship, that nobody wants to be separate from her mother, or even the mother also don't want to be separate from that her children's. So this was the explanation, this was the poem, the bonding between the mother and the daughter. So thank you about the poem. You just go through with reading and the all explanation.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.